Benefits of onion soup. Do you know what the benefits of onion soup are? Find out about it in this video. Onions are foods that can be added to many foods. In this video we will talk about the benefits of onion soup. What are the benefits of onion soup? Onion soup derives its benefits from the many benefits of onions, which may be any of the following. 1. Cancer prevention. Onions may help prevent certain cancers, such as stomach cancer and colon cancer, as onions may help prevent cell mutations that can lead to cancer, and may help prevent abnormal or cancerous cell proliferation, so onions may help prevent cancer when ingested while adhering to a healthy lifestyle. 2. Maintain healthy hair and skin. When talking about the benefits of onion soup, we should talk about the benefits of onions for both hair and skin, as onions are a rich source of vitamin C, a vitamin important in building collagen responsible for the composition of both hair and skin cells. 3. Lower blood pressure. There are some studies that have indicated the quercetin compound found in onions that may help reduce or maintain blood pressure balance, but more scientific experiments are needed to prove the validity of this speech. 4. Regulating blood sugar. One of the benefits of onion soup is the regulation of blood sugar, which is specifically due to onions, which is the main ingredient, and may be due to some ingredients contained in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur, but more trials are still needed to prove the validity of this speech. 5. Other benefits. Other benefits of onions, the main ingredient in onion soup, need further trials to prove. Promoting bone health and density. Antibacterial. Promoting digestive health. Easy to add to food. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.